Long years, do you still want me? If I don't see a ribbon round the old oak tree, I'll stay on the bus, forget about us, put the blame on me. If I don't see a yellow ribbon round the old oak tree. Bus driver, please look for me, 'cause I couldn't bear to see what I might see. I'm really still in prison, and my love, she holds the key. A simple yellow ribbon's what I need to set me free. I've heard and told her, please, won't tie a yellow ribbon round the old oak tree. It's been 3 long years, do you still want me? If I don't see a ribbon round the old oak tree, I'll stay on the bus, forget about us, put the blame on me. If I don't see a ribbon down the road, the old oak tree. Alright, nagpahinga na po sila. Parang solo concert na. Now the Holden bus is cheering, and I can't believe I see 100 yellow ribbons round the old oak tree. Elvis Presley, your cheating heart will make you weep. You'll cry and try to sleep, but sleep won't come the whole night through. Your cheating heart will tell on you when tears come down like falling rain. You toss around and call my name. You walk the floor the whole way due. Your cheating heart will tell on you. Alright. Your cheating heart will find someday and crave the love you throw away. The time will come, the hole you blew. Your cheating heart will tell on you. When tears come down like falling rain, you toss around and call my name. You'll walk the floor Your cheating heart will tell on you. Alright, the next song is gonna be a song coming from the Beatles. If you know this, just sing along. It's called The Ballad of Janet Yoko. Alright! Standing in the deck of some tangent, trying to get to Holland and France. The man in the Mac said, you got to go back. You know they didn't even give us a chance. Christ, you know it ain't easy. You know how hard it can be, yeah. The way this is going, they gonna crucify me. Alright now. Finally made the plane into Paris, honeymooning down by the sea. Peter Brown called to say, you can make it okay. You can get married, nickel bright in your Spain. Christ, you know it ain't easy. You know how hard it can be, yeah. The way this is going, they gonna crucify me. Drove from Paris to Amsterdam Hilton, talking in her best for a week. The newspaper said, so what you doing in bed? I said, we're all trying to get us some peace. Right, you know it ain't easy. You know how hard it can be, yeah. The way she going, they gonna crucify me. Saving up your money for the rainy day, giving all your clothes to charity. Last night the wife said, oh boy, when you're that you don't take nothing with you, but it's so okay. Made a lighting trip to Vienna, eating chocolate cake in a bag. The newspaper said, she's got to his head. They look just like the gurus in drag lines. You know it ain't easy. You know how hard it can be, yeah. The way that you going, they gonna crucify me. Got the early plane back to London, eating chocolate cake in the bank. The man from the press says, we wish you success. It's good to have the part of your back. Right, you know it ain't easy. You know how hard it can be, yeah. The way that you going, they gonna crucify me. They gonna crucify me. Alright now, Joe. Aba, kanta-kanta lang po. Minsan na, maaga pa naman, wala pa naman siguro matutulog dyan, kundi yung mga nag-drive. At all these but goodies. Far across the blue water, I wait over yonder by the vast of the old river Rhine, where I left her, but I can't forget her. I miss my pretty Fräulein. Fräulein, Fräulein, sa mga number one idol kong singer, si Victor Wood. Kaya po, sumakabilang buhay na noong 2022. Can my memory wander away over yonder of the sweet heart that I left behind, and the moment of glory of praise comes before me, the face of my pretty Fräulein. Fräulein, walking by the river, pretend that your hands hold in mine. By the same stars above you, I swear that I love you. You are my pretty Fräulein. Kanta-kanta lang to. No. I'm video recording. No, Maki. You go there and try to borrow cell phone from other people. I'm singing. I'm video recording. Don't touch my phone. Hands up. It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes. And the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life through, but I can't help falling in love with you. Oh, my love, my darling, I've hungered for your touch alone, long the time, and time goes by so slowly, and time can do so much. Are you still mine? I need your love. I need your love. Godspeed your love to me. Lonely rivers flow to the sea, to the sea, to the open arms of the sea. Lonely rivers sigh, wait for me, wait for me. I'll be coming home, wait for me. Whoa, Carol, I am but a fool. Darling, I love you, though you treat me cruel. You left me, and you made me cry. But if you leave me, I will surely die. Darling, there will never be another, 'cause I love you so. Don't ever leave me, say you'll never go. I will always want you for my sweetheart, no matter what you do. Whoa, Carol, I'm so in love with you. Alright.
May binigay po ba sa inyong cellphone si Makoy?
Cellphone ko yung ginagamit niya.
Tangang bata. Howard, cellphone is missing. Cellphone is missing.
Shy girl, don't shy away, little shy girl. I wish that you were my girl. If only you knew I'm shy like you, you might not run away, and maybe you might stay. And even when you're near, you're like a distant star to me. How can you be so near, yet seem so very far from me? Well, lastly, the clings to the bow. Just one leaf that's under his love, and my last home leaves with a lonely leaf, with that last leaf that clings to the bough. Then one by one the leaves began to fall, and now the wind has come to fall. Listen to the rhythm of the falling rain, telling me just what a fool I've been. I'll live and never listen, let me cry and wait, and let me be alone again. Rain, won't you tell her that I love her so? Please ask the sun to set her heart aglow. Rain in your heart will never love start to grow. Wishing all the stars above me, and I caught the nearest rainbow. Gotta find someone to love, gotta find someone to love. Well, life does a lot of me goes into wishing well, and save the poison with the poison fruit is hell. I've got a lucky penny in the mustard seed, but a warm and tender love is all I need. Everybody loves to see beauty be Amador. Everybody seems to know. Well, they know her just Pons and Judy always be Pons and Judy show. 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 All right, take a break.